So this move here is just called Downpour. It is an extremely easy cardistry move. It looks extremely simple and flawless, extremely elegant move, and it's just a really fun move to fidget with. So I'll be teaching this to you right now. The first thing you'll need is a really new deck of cards. If this is an old deck of cards that you're trying to use, it simply will not work. Because once the finish is worn off, all the cards start to clump together, and almost any clumping throws this entire move off. So first, go and grab your new deck of cards, and let's get into it. Your grip is going to have your thumb along the bottom short edge, your index along the left long edge, and your middle ring and pinky along the top short edge. You'll start with the back of your palm face up, and then you're going to rotate until you can see the faces. At this point, when I get to here, I'm going to release with my middle finger. Now before I show you how to release it, I will want to show you how to catch it first so the cards don't fly everywhere. You'll want to catch it in a straddle grip in between your pinky and your index fingers on the bottom and top, and then your middle and ring are going to be along the right long edge. Now that we've got that taken care of, you are back to here with your middle finger off and ready to catch. The thing that'll start to go is to slowly start to release with your thumb, and that will make it go extremely slow. Just don't move anything else and it just goes slow. But now we're going to be able to figure out how to adjust the speed. So the first thing you're going to want to do is realize that your index finger is slowly going to come up the deck and rotate. So you'll be able to see on the back side here, I slowly bring my index finger up the deck. Your index finger is the thing that can control the tempo. Because even if you have it farther back, I can keep it slow here and I can keep it slow here. But if I can also want to, I can make it go fast there, and I can have it go fast here. So it really just depends on my index and thumb. If I'm back, most of it is on my thumb. If I'm forward, most of it is on my index, just depending on how fast I remove my fingers from here, which shows how fast they are going to drop. But when you are here, it's going to rotate over your index finger and slowly fall down into this pad of your hand. The other thing that you'll want to do is slowly move your thumb downwards. That way this last card doesn't get caught on your thumb like this. This looks awkward. So what you'll want to do is slowly rotate your thumb down and it will all fall into place nice and beautifully. Now most of the time when I'm doing this move here is because I'm fidgeting and waiting for the spectator to stop talking so I can keep performing magic. So one thing that I will do, because as soon as I get out of this, I'm now in a straddle grip, I'll convert it to a mechanics grip by moving my pinky off to this left side, and then I will take this next card, give it a little wave, and simply change it into another card. So if you want to learn that color change or any others, I would recommend the playlist here and more cardistry tutorials right down there. So if you want to pick up these playing cards, they are 10% off in the description below, all about Star Wars, which is pretty dang cool. And I would make sure to subscribe if you want to enjoy more content like this, and behind the scenes content is on Patreon in the description. That's all I can say. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Card Perfect, signing off.